Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to share a post on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app, scroll down. Okay, then choose someone post. Okay, then this post, then click share option. Okay, then share someone, just click, then send. Okay, then check messenger, this person, then share this post, then click, then this post. Okay, then try another way, click on share, then copy link, then back, then click on WhatsApp. Okay, then choose on someone. Okay, then tap on search bar, then paste this link. Okay, tap on this option, then link, then this post. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.